1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes past the hour. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
40 feet down, 2.5. Picking up some dust. 30 feet, 2.5 down. Brake shadow. 4 forward. 4 forward. Drift into the right a little. Down a half. Contact light. Okay, engine stop. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot. Okay, Neil, we can see you coming down the ladder now. I'm at the foot of the ladder. The LEM footpads are only impressed in the surface about 1 or 2 inches. I'm going to step off the LEM now. That's 1 small step for man, 1 giant leap for mankind. Tony, this is so great you can't believe it. I believe it, Charlie. It's raining, John. Look at it go, would you, Charlie? You got all your steering, it's great. Oh, this is going to be some kind of different ride. Hippity hopping over hill and dale. Da 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 da. Hippity hopping along. 1 ignition. Flat away, Houston. Vector good.
We're burning flat.
That's
Roger,
right.
thrust. Looks good, flight.
Observation shot flight.
Roger.
Stand by for splashdown.